Where National Conference's Omar Abdullah, who's one of the main contenders in the election, is now going to have a dress-up campaign rally. We are going to talk to him and understand what is it that, one of the leading parties, which is the NCA, is trying to get for these people, for the people of Kashmir, and what is it that they are hoping to achieve from these Lok Sabha polls. Keep watching. Hello and welcome to ABP Live. I have with me today the former Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Omar Abdullah, the leader of National Conference. He's going to speak to us what is expected out of Kashmir from these Lok Sabha elections. Welcome to ABP Live, sir. What are your main agenda? What is it that you're expecting from these Lok Sabha elections?
Well, we expect people to vote for the National Conference, and we expect 3 of our members to be able to serve the people of Jammu and Kashmir in Parliament. That's what we expect.
So what we get to hear from the centre is everything is normal in Kashmir, violence has reduced, tourists are coming. What do you have to say to that?
Nothing. I'll let the voters speak. Clearly, what the centre says is very far removed from the ground reality, which is why the BJP doesn't have its own candidates in this election. They are supporting proxy candidates, but the BJP isn't fighting this election itself.
But the BJP is saying that they don't want to occupy, they want to win the hearts, and the family politics, which is what has ruined Kashmir. What are your views on that?
Nothing. I have nothing to say on that.
And so what will be your plan now that if you think you will be winning, what is it that you're going to bring the message to the centre?
Well, first and foremost, let's wait for the results to come out on the 4th of June. Then we have another big test ahead of us. The Supreme Court has ordered that assembly elections have to be completed before the 30th of September. So as soon as we finish this election, we'll prepare for the next one.
Okay, and sir, also there has been historic turnout that is happening in Kashmir. We saw that in central and north and probably south. Do you think that this is the way people are expressing dissent, or you think people are happy?
Well, an election is an expression of an opinion. What opinion they're expressing, we'll know on the 4th of June. If the BJP's supported candidates do well in this election, then clearly the people are happy with them. But if the votes go against the BJP and its supported candidates, then this is an expression of unhappiness and anger at what was done to Jammu and Kashmir on the 5th of August 2019.
Why haven't they fielded any candidate despite all the claims that they have made, you think? Why do you think the BJP has not fielded any candidate this
That's
time?
something only they can answer.
Okay, but you're saying that they have proxy parties operating here, right?
Of course.
Okay. And so lastly, the fact that, what we get to hear that everything is normal in Kashmir, would you like to tell our viewers what is the real picture here? Are people...
Look, I'll leave you. You're on the ground here. You can go around Kashmir. You see the real picture for yourself. What I tell you will be my political view.
Still, sir, what are your...
In terms of what?
In terms of everything is normal, violence has come down.
Well, you just saw the other day. A Sarpanch was murdered by militants. 2 tourists, they were shot and injured. How is that normal? How is that peaceful? Of course, it's not peaceful.
And do you think the assembly elections will take place? And if they do, what do you think will be the main mandate that the people would want end of the day? Because I've spoken to voters in North Kashmir. They say they want restoration of 370. Do you think that's possible?
Look, nothing is impossible. It's a long fight, but it's a fight we intend to continue. As far as will the elections happen on time, the Supreme Court has ordered them. So unless the government of the day wants to be in contempt of court, I'm sure the elections will happen by the 30th of September.
Okay, and anything you want to say to our viewers, sir? Thank you so much. So that was the former Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Omar Abdullah, and he's here addressing a rally in Noorabad in Kulgam district. Thank you for watching ABP Live. This is Nainima Basu.